Hey guys, it's the Cube Meister here. I couldn't pass up this opportunity in this beautiful sunset in Koh Tao to do a cubing video. So this is going to be the introduction to the advanced speed cubing method that I solve my cubes in an average of 40 seconds, not very fast compared to lots of other people. But anyway, I'm going to do a walkthrough solve using this method to tell you how I do it. So the first step you're going to learn is how to do the cross. So if I just do a cross quickly. I hope the colours come out okay on this video because it's sunset's quite bright. Here we go. So I've got myself a cross. I always do the orange face first. It's got blue, blue, green, green, yellow, white, white, and yellow, yellow. That's the first step. The second step is F2L, called the first two layers. So you see our cross forms two layers solved with the edge of the cross in the centre. We need to insert both these edge pieces in together. So this is blue, yellow, orange corner. So I've got the blue, yellow, orange piece here, and I've got the blue, yellow edge there. And what's going to happen in one movement, I've inserted those two together. And there's lots of different ways to do that, but you basically do that for each of the edges. This is the hardest part in my opinion. F2L. So here we go. This green, white, orange with this green, white over here have been inserted into their slot which I need to go in. Let me just finish this. And finally the blue, white. There we go. So now you might see on my cube that I've got the first two layers completed, which is great. Let me get something called OLL, and you can do this in one step, and that's to turn all of these. If I just start, because I started with orange on the bottom, I need to turn all of these now to become red. And there are, if you want to be really advanced, then you can learn 57 different algorithms, 57 different possibilities of how this can look here. I don't do that. I do two looks. I do the first look is to turn it into a cross. And then the second look is once I've got a cross, there's 7 different scenarios which might happen here. So I've had to memorize 7 different algorithms. This one in particular, I just do this, and I've got myself all red. That's called OLL, which is orientating the last layer, making it all red. And the final step is PLL, which is permuting the last layer, which is putting them all in the right place. And there are 21 different algorithms and 21 different states it could be in, which equal 21 different algorithms you need to learn. And I don't know this one. I've only learned about 10, so I do a couple of steps. I do a T-perm, so I'll swap these two, and then I follow that up with a U-perm, and then we have the cube solved. Now, the cross and F2L, that is intuition, and that literally is practice, and it's all it is. You pick up some tips and tricks here and there, but practice. And then once that's done, it's all about memory and memory in terms of recognizing cases, remembering algorithms, and that becomes muscle memory for speed. So yeah, literally, I don't have a clue what that is anymore. That's just become muscle memory because I've had to memorize it, and it's not massively problem solving. You just do the cross, do the first two layers. Once that's done, it's just algorithms to learn, recognize cases, and it's how quickly you can recognize the case and how quickly you can do the algorithm that will determine how fast you can solve the cube. That's it. That's what we're going to be doing. So there'll be a video on doing the cross, a video on doing F2L, a video on a couple of videos probably on the OLL, learning the OLL cases to get all the last layer orientated correctly, and then there'll be a video on the PLL, which is the different algorithms that you can do there. So hope you enjoyed this video. Lovely sunset, about to have dinner, barbecue on the beach. Couldn't ask for nothing more. Anyway guys, cheers.